Hello, I thought I'd make a video about the evolution of my 1/24 scale Axial SCX24 Deadbolt. I bought it new in 2021, and over the past 5 years I've been slowly upgrading it. After a few runs, I decided it was a bit top heavy and it needed some low down weight. So the first upgrade I bought were these large brass hexes, which help keep it more planted. Then I bought these metal high clearance suspension links, and these metal steering links, which have added some more low down weight and improved its performance some more. The next upgrade I bought were these Injora metal beadlock wheels and tyres. The tyres are slightly larger than the stock ones, and it does have some body rub now. The next addition, which is more of a mod than an upgrade, was a set of 3D printed inner fenders. They also came with a strong magnetic body mount system on the front. So now we're up to 2026, and last month I treated the Deadbolt to a new higher torque brushed Injora motor. And I had to remove one of the mounting arms from the battery tray, so it would fit as it's larger than the stock Axial motor. I also bought this Injora MB100 G2 ESC to go with the motor, which had just been released. This is Injora's new smaller version of their previous MB100 ESC, and it fits nicely on top of the inner fender inside the body shell. The last upgrade I bought for now is this new Emax Servo. This also came with a metal servo mount and a metal servo horn. I had to cut off the top parts of the flange because it's slightly bigger than the stock Axial servo and they can catch on the chassis rails when the suspension is under compression. All these changes have improved the performance of my little Deadbolt a lot from its stock form, but I do want to change the stock shocks at some point. But that's all the upgrades for now. Coming next is some footage I took in the woods testing the new motor in ESC. Unfortunately, it's not a lot because it was a very warm day, and when I started to film, the mosquitoes decided I was going to be their lunch. These weren't very pleasant conditions, and I gave up after being bitten several times and came home. I apologise for this, and I do hope you enjoy the video despite the lack of decent run footage. Thank you very much for watching. sod this, I'm going home.